Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows Update error code 0x80072F8F. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you set time and date correctly. For that, you need to open Windows setting. Then select your time and language. Then click on date and time. First of all, you should enable set time automatically. After that, you can see here set the date and time manually. Click on change, then set here time and date manually from here. Close this window. Again open your Windows 11 setting. Click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Then click on Windows Update Run. Wait for complete. After completing, close this window. Go to the run command. Type here WS reset. Hit enter. Here also wait for some time. Then close Microsoft Store. Go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Then click on S. In this you type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. After 100% close this window and restart your laptop or PC, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.